Open the site and use the language switch in the header to choose English. You get 3 days free without a card, plus a $50 starting balance. The models page explains the differences. Luna is the most economical and included in the free plan. Sol handles complex reasoning, while Code focuses on refactoring, tests, and migrations. The free plan includes 2 million input and 1 million output tokens per week. Pro includes 20 million input and 10 million output tokens per week. The documentation keeps the connection details together. Your key comes from account settings. The environment variable is a Amory API key, and the provider address is shown on the page. The API is compatible with OpenAI. Enter the address and key in Cline, Continue, Cursor, Aider, or Z. The same address and key work across these clients. These are different tools for different tasks. The terminal agent reads the project, changes files, runs commands, and checks results. Browser chat is a regular conversation without access to your files. Request and model response texts are not stored on the service servers. Only token counters and cost enter the database, while web chat history stays in your browser. The service provides access to a set of language models through its API, CLI, and web chat. Payment and limits are shared between the terminal and browser tools. OpenAI.AmoryMe.com. Compare the plans and follow the documentation. You can start free with Luna, while Pro is $3 per week.